is very common in Dubai, by the way. Even on this scale, this is not common. Because this is 14 people capacity, fully panoramic. The outdoor as well. Look at this artist, full of vibrant colors.
Yeah, I love the colors throughout the house, but also just the volume, the sheer volume of these rooms are amazing.
It's so nice that from outdoors you can just walk down too. You want friends to come in, you don't want them going through the whole house, you're having an event.
Exactly.
I like that easy access. Or, you know, Josh is a big bowler, he could turn this into a bowling alley.
It could be your own bowling alley.
This could be your own pickleball court. This is big enough to do a lot of stuff in here.
This is a very important feature. We don't have any drama in Dubai. If you live here, you have only the best quality.
That's the greatest part of this entire house, if you ask me.
Yeah, it's really a great room. The different things that you can do with the space, really it's just whatever that person who buys this can really make it their own, from a gym
to an art gallery.
Yeah.
To a car museum. I mean, I feel like you could put anything down here.
Yeah, it's really, really nice. So this is great. You have staff rooms, multiple staff rooms, right?
3 maids rooms.
Okay.
And each one is the size of a decent studio in Dubai. So we were generous even there.
Got it. So we are currently on the lower level.
Which doesn't feel like that because you have so much natural light and all of these doors open up, separate, you know, up and down staircase coming right in.
Even the doors here of the maid's room is also top quality, so we never compromise over the quality. All the same all over the mansion.
It's really a great flex space for whatever somebody wants this to be. You have a lot of square footage here.
Yeah, I can see if you owned this house, Josh, this would be a gym. If I owned this, it would be an art gallery.
There you go. So there's 2 options right there.
So you're telling me this is the seating room off of the primary with its own kitchen?
Yes,
Wow.
with its own counter again.
Josh, you don't really have to worry about going down that elevator to get a drink.
I love this. The appliances are amazing. I mean, just being able to touch and feel everything in this house is so nice. Also, just the volume.
Another thing is that I don't know how many maids you will need to serve this house, because this is really, really huge.
In my house, I have this maid right here. We service the whole house. First thing I'm drawn to with my eyes is that beautiful tree over there, and obviously that leads into the primary.
That's olive trees, and we have a lot of, you know,
those are special olive trees, by the way. I have olive trees. They don't look like that.
So this is all the master bedroom.
This is the master bedroom.
Oh my God.
Look at the sheer size of this room.
This is great. So you get to overlook the pool. You get to overlook
your... This can be fully open, so you see the king size bed.
Which, I'll tell you, you thought the TV looked small.
Yeah, this you can...
That looks like a twin in a normal house. I mean, that is huge.
But really, this is super king. And it's fully open to the balcony, beautiful views, lush garden, the pool.
I also like the way that they put the turf down on the roof because it makes everything feel so warm. Instead of looking at a roof, you're looking at the grass.
I love how this is outlined, how he's got the mix of the wood floor.
Of white marble and Swiss parquet as well. Beautiful combination.
Yeah, I love how it's mixed.
Another seating area.